Alright, hey there, how we doing, Veve and Ecomi community? It is OhmDawg coming at you with another price action update. Today we are going to go ahead and jump into the charts, and that's pretty much it for today. Besides, I'm going to jump into what we have coming up on Thursday. Thursday's Spider-Man drop. It is the Ben Riley FA, so just wanted to throw that up there before we go ahead and throw the disclaimer. With that being said, we'll see y'all on the other side. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading with money involves risk. I'm not responsible for any decisions you make based off this information. Alright guys, so jumping into the OMI chart. We are currently trading at 0.006617. On the weekly, we are currently printing a bearish candle, aside from the last week's bearish candle as well. Our monthly candle is currently wicking this area of interest that we targeted a few weeks ago. So, jumping into the daily, we're going to currently look at how price is printing right now, overall throughout the past week and a few days. Bearish price action printing. I'm going to go ahead and recap as well what we have seen since last video. We were currently, I believe, trading around here at the time, and we were obviously looking for price to either show us signs of strength within this area to start, picking itself back up and carry up, and continue this momentum that we've seen on the higher time frames, as we see right here. Or we were looking for price to trade down and start showing more signs of weakness. So we have obviously started to trade downwards. We are currently trading into this area of interest that we've had marked off since this whole bearish move right here. So we're currently trading through that, and why I left it targeted was relatively why I left it targeted was because relatively we wanted to see, obviously, would price trade into it and back out, or are we going to trade in and through it? Y'all know how it goes here. So obviously from this point we want to look at market structure and what we could be being shown at the moment. So obviously we still have our overall we still have our overall bullish market structure right here, price printing a low and then our high, and we have our higher low, our higher high, our higher lows, our higher high, and this could very well be our higher lows, depending on how price reacts around here. So what the telltale for this area currently, this whole chunk of price action is, are we going to get that higher low that can then push us to a higher high? So are we in this scenario right here, or are we in a scenario where we are pushing price up and then we see a shift in momentum where price wants to start breaking down? So and paying attention to this whole trend line thing, how I don't use those, that could very well backfire if people are buying here without the right trading confirmations and all that good stuff. Obviously there's no right or wrong way to trade. Everybody has a different way, but I personally do not see the trend lines as an accurate way to take a position in the markets. So I could potentially see this being a trend line clap, essentially. They take out people by dropping below that whole trend line area where people, or 90 to 95% of retail would buy. So that is something to look out for. So as of now, we want to see, we have our high right here in terms of market structure. So we want to really see, I have this green line marked down below for liquidity. We really want to see that maintain its composure and remain sustained. So in an essence, we do not, if we are looking for the bullish side of the market, we do not want to see the market print down and start closing up. We do not want to see the market print down and start closing heavily to the downside. Obviously, we could see retracement within the market and then from there it'd be, you know, telling if price is going to maintain a lower high from here, or if it would want to, you know, break up and create that higher high scenario. So that's currently what I see as of now. I have a lot of stuff up here. Let me get all this out of the way. There's a lot of stuff on here. It's a lot going on, I'm sorry, but we do have to keep this information up. And so yeah, from here on out, from where price currently stands, we either want to see, you know, either price start to break down and give us that lower low scenario, or we would really like to see, you know, in the case of the bulls, price start to react out of this area, trade up and out of it relatively quickly, and that could really give us solid confirmation that this price right here does not want to break market structure. It wants to maintain that bullish market structure that we have had in the past. So that is all I have for everybody today. I appreciate everybody stopping by. We are above 300 subscribers now, so I appreciate everybody jumping in and pressing like on the videos and subscribing. It means the absolute world to me. It's what keeps me going and making these videos for you guys every day, so I very much appreciate it. So with that being said, this is OhmDawg coming at you with another price action update, and I will see you guys tomorrow in a Veve market or Veve price action update within the marketplace. So I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.